So greetings everyone, it is 9:30 p.m. and I didn't go to the gym today because I was slightly tired and I thought of not training today and spending the day in recovering. So one of the most important part of recovering the muscle is diet. Obviously first thing is sleep. I used to live outside, and while living outside of your home you are not supposed to eat outside on regular basis, otherwise you may face some serious consequences. So I thought of showing all of you my quick paneer recipe, and I think it doesn't take a lot of effort and all of you can make it in, I guess, 7 to 8 minutes max. So for that you need some tomatoes, you need some onion, you need a grinder, so this is a must, and then you obviously need some paneer. At the first you have to cut the vegetables. So guys, I have already chopped the onion and tomato. Need to have a grinder, and then you have to put the tomatoes and onion in the grinder. And now the smart part. So since I also add curd in it, so I'll add that thing as well. And then the most smart and innovative way. So earlier what I used to do, first I used to pour the mixture of onion, tomato and the curd in the oil, and then afterwards I used to mix the spices. But now I have found a very innovative way which saves a lot of time. So you just pour the spices at the first. So that was turmeric, and this is red chili powder, this is salt, and this is, I don't know whatever it is, but it is delicious, I guess. And then you need to add some water in it. So don't add too much of water, otherwise it may spoil your dish. And then you have to grind it. So I have grinded it, I guess. Then I usually do not use any type of oil, I use the ghee instead. And then you need to pour this mixture. So this is how it looks like. And the middle class tip, just need some water, pour it in the grinder and then shake it well, so the rest of the spices can be utilized. So now you just need to mix it a bit, and then to make it a complete dish and to let the spices cooked in a complete manner, you should cover your pan for I guess 2 minutes, and meanwhile we will chop the paneer. So I guess our spices are cooked. And now you just need to pour the paneer in it. Mix it a bit and need to mix it to let the paneer get cooked for I guess 1 to 2 minutes, and then you can add some water in case you wish to. It is up to you how thick you want the gravy. So again you have to cover it, and then you have to let it remain for I guess 3 to 4 minutes, and then your paneer is ready. So this is my go-to dish which I used to make every day, and it is very nutritious, and you guys can make it in I guess 5 to 6 minutes. So since I was demonstrating this dish step by step, so it took me more time. Otherwise I can make it in 6 to 7 minutes.